We're here in Lena this morning. Project right now is to get this Lagoon table mounted down here. Saw this a while ago, ordered it up, and just getting around to putting it in. It's a well, here's what it says here. Lagoon table leg can support 50 pounds of weight and a tabletop up to 30 by 40 inches. It adjusts in height and swings around. So I want to get this table at least mounted, to get the mount in place and get a top, temporary top on it to just see how it works. So that's what we're going to do for a bit. This backing plate is going to go right here. And that's going to back the front part of the bracket, give it some extra stability. That'll go right about there. And then we'll be able to quickly and easily put the arm on and off. Yeah, there we go. So I got the first hole drilled, got it installed with one screw and tightened up. I'm just checking to make sure it's level. Done. All right. Now it's just time to put the last of the washers and nuts on. Easy install. Right. The mount's in. There we go. That's okay. So there it is. It's the table mount. Comes out of the way. Can come here for extra space when you're cooking. If you want to have dinner and have the dinette down, you still got a room for two to eat. And yeah, I think that's going to work. Yeah. Now to just put a tabletop on it and see. that's it for today. Just got to put a tabletop on it. That was quick. Table's all in place. Got a little temporary tabletop on there. And see, it moves all around. Looks good. It's going to be great. Let's see. Here it is. Yeah. It's going to be super. Nice. With the Lagoon table done, it's time to look at water and propane gas and make sure that's all working. This right here is my water setup for the trailer. I've got two 26.5 liter jugs, one for fresh water and one for gray water that comes out of the sink. And I use a little 12 volt pump assembly, and it works really good to give me the water I need when I'm off grid. Water pumps in this little blue container, keeps it from the elements, and keeps the animals from chewing on it. It sets up and packs away easily, and there's my 12 volt power source for the pump. And this is how easy it is to get set up. The water pickup goes in the water tank. Drain line attaches to the sink outflow. Pump in, and this is also the water pickup for when we're on when we've got a water tap available to us. There we go. Just pull this out, plug it in there, turn the water on, and we'll see if it works. No leaks. Looks good. Okay. Water's on, pump's on, ready to go. Awesome. We have water. Now to get the propane tank installed and hooked up. Propane's turned on. All right, that one's working. And that's working. So we can cook now. This is an old style propane heater. It vents its exhaust outside, so it's really nice and warm, dry heat. It's a little bit fussy to start up, but I'll show you how it works. This is where you start lighting it. First you turn the pilot on, hold the pilot in, and you wait for a bit until the pilot heats up, warms up. I've already done this once, so it's actually nice and warm and ready to go pretty quick here. Once the pilot's heated up, you let go, keeps running, and then you can turn it on. And there it is. Heater's now on. There we go. That's all it takes. It's a really nice heat. We got water. We got gas for the cooker and for the heater. And got a nice tabletop. So we're set. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, go ahead and do that too. I'll be putting out more content as I get around to it, but it should be fairly frequently. So if you like what I'm doing, feel free to subscribe. Might look at doing a video while we're out camping this week. We'll see how the weather is, see how things go. Might get it done, might not. Anyways, take care.